Well, good afternoon and welcome to the Idahoan Show. You know, when I tell people about my homemade Utah pistol with the 50 caliber muzzle-loading barrels that I've made for it, a lot of times the response I get is, "Whoa, 50 caliber? Are you sure that's big enough?" Now, I'm pretty sure that they're being facetious, but it got me thinking, well, what if 50 caliber isn't big enough? So I went ahead and built a 75 caliber version. Let me go ahead and show you how I built this thing. Now, in general, the larger the bore, the slower the optimal rifling twist. So the first thing I did was make a larger pulley for my helical machining apparatus so that I could cut a button with a slower twist rate. I then proceeded to machine a 75 caliber rifling button using the same triangular design that worked so well for the 50 caliber version. After heat treating the button, I drove it through the barrel using a sledgehammer because I still haven't gotten around to modifying my hydraulic press to handle longer barrels. In this case, I drove the button through the barrel 4 times to give me a total of 12 rifling grooves. Next, I machined a plug for the breech end of the barrel from a piece of 7/8 all thread, and drilled out a flash hole of appropriate dimensions to accommodate a standard shotgun primer. I pounded the plug into the barrel, TIG welded it in place, and then cleaned up both ends of the barrel on the lathe to remove any deformation caused by the pounding. I figure the recoil of a 75 caliber handgun could be brutal, so I added a foregrip to add a little bit of additional weight to the gun and also distribute the recoil over a larger area by allowing me to use both hands. Now it's time to function check it with just a primer. For the foolproof test, I loaded it up with 260 grains of grade P Pyrodex behind a 1260 grain lead projectile, and of course I fired it remotely. And there is my 75 caliber Utah pistol. Thanks for watching the Idahoan Show.